So in question number 13a, we have already calculated the force of repulsion between them, correct? So what is the value of force of repulsion? Because we are already short, because our question for A was to show it is about 1 into 10 raised to minus 3. The force of repulsion we already calculated. What is the force of repulsion we obtained? That is nearly 1.16 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Newton, correct? So this value will really help us to find the answer for the next part. Okay, in the second part, what is our question? Show that charge on each balloon is 2 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb. So again, we have drawn the same stuff. So this is the two balloons. Now it's already repelled. Two balloons is already repelled. We already know the repulsive force on this is, what is the repulsive force? The repulsive force is equal to 1.16 into 10 raised to minus 3 Newton, correct? And what is the reason for this repulsion? Because these balloons possesses a certain charge. So let the charge on each balloon, we can say it as, let it be Q. Okay, we don't know because it's already given in our question that the charge on each balloon is same. So we will just consider the value as let it be Q. The charge on each balloon is let it be Q. And what is the spacing between this? What is the spacing between them? We already even calculated that spacing, correct? What is that value of spacing we obtained? Because the spacing is actually important. So this spacing is 0.47. According to this question, this is repelled and the spacing is 0.47. Then according to the equation, the repulsive force or electrostatic force is equal to what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 by r square. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, if nothing is mentioned, you can consider it as a medium of free space. So this 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, that value is 9 into 10 raised to 9. The same charge, Q1 and Q2 are same. So Q square, Q into Q is Q square divided by 0.47 square. And that value is, repulsive force is what? 1.16 into 10 raised to minus 3. So if you're making Q square the subject, the value of Q square is equal to, I'm just continuing from here. The value of Q square is equal to 1.16 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 0.47 square divided by 9 into 10 raised to 9. Therefore, the value of Q, take the square root of this 1.16 10 to the power of minus 3 into 0.47 square divided by 9 into 10 raised to 9. Approximately, you will get the answer as nearly 1.69 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb, because unit is coulomb. So approximately, it is about 2 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb. So hence, be short. Correct? No doubt. If you have any doubts, please just post as a comment. I will explain it. Okay. So move to the B part of this question. This is what? This is the question number 13A2.